Hi everybody, this is a little intro for my video in Italian for the Italian friends. Ciao ragazzi, in questo momento di casino generale totale, con qualcuno di voi ci sentiamo via telefono, con qualcuno via email, gli altri se vogliono lasciare un commento per dire che va tutto bene, mi farebbe piacere. Io sono nella zona rossa. Non so se lo sapete, vabbè, quasi tutti lo sanno. Comunque sta andando tutto bene, ci siamo trincerati e preparati, io e la mia famiglia, tutto a posto. Vi raccomando le ricette per il gel, le salviettine e le mascherine fai da te che sono state molto utili. E adesso andiamo al video. Hello everybody, this is a great video, I'm so happy. This is a package from my good friend Monkey Lockpicks. Check out his channel. Very nice guy. One of the first person I got to know when I discovered this hobby. So I'm really happy. I'm really curious to see what he decided to send me. He's so kind, it's just an unexpected gift. So, with all the sensitive data covered, let's go and open these things. Okay. One. Oh, let me pick for some notes. Just a minute. Oh, we have a lot of peanuts. That's what I call them. Okay, so let's dig it. There is a big thing inside. Oh, full of many things. It's opening up. So let me check inside. Okay, let's go on and open all these things. Oh, I think I know what is inside. I think I know what's inside here. I think I know. It's a lot of things. A lot of things. So let's go one by one. Okay, just curious, very curious. Inside, I hear some rattling. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at this. This is November by the man himself, Monkey Lockpicks. Wow, mummified keys. Wow. This will be a difficult lock. And then brass one. My god, a huge key. Oh my god. Very smooth. Wow, look at this beating. It must be a joke. It's really some low cuts. Oh my god. This will be a big problem. Oh, something is trying to come out from here. Let's try not to damage inside. It's really difficult because it's full of things that are trying to escape from the packet. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Really nice. You can call this cross lock, needle locks, cruciform, whatever. But this is really nice, really beauty, really something different, and also nice shining blue padlock. Wow. Let's go. There is more. Wow. A little shutter lock. Wow. I think this is the one I picked in the last video, I think. If I remember correctly. Oh, it's quite a nice bitting for a little lock. Little lock, but very nice lock. I think this is a padlock. I think. Let me open this without cutting myself, maybe. I hope I'm still on frame. Okay, we got a padlock. I see some parts. Oh, we got a cheese. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. It's really, really shining. And with a nice fitting too. Look at this. Oh, wow. I think this will be a challenge. Not a challenge lock, but a challenge to open. And now, the main dish. I think I know what there is inside. Oh, it is always so well packed. Wait a minute, it give me some space just to stay in frame, because this is a little packet, but I think it contains something really precious. Okay. Okay. Package in the package. Okay. Oof, I must be really, really, really careful not to damage it. Okay, it's down there. Okay. Really a very well packaged thing. Really, really precious. Oh, I already felt something. I think this is one of his masterpieces. Yeah, look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this hook and look at this handle. Wow. It's really, really something made with a lot of care and a lot of skill. Yeah, no words. My friend, you are great. This is a fantastic pick. I just can't describe this. The craftsmanship, it's fantastic. This will be nice. I think this should be something like, I don't have my caliper, but I think it's a 19,000. I'm really afraid just to touch it and to bend it. This will be used, sorry for the camera, tonight immediately. This is really, really a beauty. And I have to discover how it works. So, this came from my friend Monkey Lockpick. Great friend, great YouTuber, great lockpicker, great pick maker. And I'm absolutely without words. Really happy. really happy. See you, bye bye. I think I'm not making justice to this wonderful homemade pick. It's almost finished at mirror finish. Really nice. Nothing sharp even in the handle. It's all beautiful finished. It's more or less something like book number 1, maybe. Okay. And it's really thin shaft. Let me see if I have something to compare it to. Wait a minute. Oh, I have this low lock tool. You see how thin is the shaft. It's really thin, designed for paracentric locks, Euro locks. I admit I don't know which kind of wood is it, but it's really smooth. You can use it in both ways. It's very comfortable, and the thing that really makes me think is that this finish, these 2 rivets here that are absolutely flush with the pick. It's fantastic. It's not full tang, you see it arrives down here, but the feeling is wonderful. It's also very nice to watch. It's a beauty. My friend Monkey Lockpick is a great pick maker, and I think that he can do really wonders. I think I can ask for some other beauties, being a client paying. Because this really nice. It's fantastic. I am almost afraid to use it, but it's really fantastic. I should have my caliper over here. It's let me see. Ooh. Not working. Let's see. No batteries. Oh, okay, no batteries. So we have to check it. This is 23,000. This is more or less 19,000. Judging with the eye. I can't find my working caliper, so no matter. Sorry, but I can't give you exact size, but it's really wonderful. I think I will do some close-up photos, and I encourage you to ask Mr. Monkey Lockpicks for some nice pics, because these are really collector's items. Big thumb up.